Hey guys, and welcome back. Thanks for tuning in on a new episode. Anyways guys, I'm sorry I didn't post for a long time, but guess what, we are back. So today I'm getting back into the build here. I'm making an epic Halloween haunted house, and make sure, before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe to this video. Let's get started guys. Okay, so I'm going inside here and I see zombies. It's all crazy. It's like, how did they even get in here? And it's pretty scary. But the thing is guys, I'm gonna make a maze. So I'm gonna start building the maze. I'm gonna make it out of pumpkins. So we're gonna have to lock these creatures in here, and we're gonna have to start building. Okay, so I'm thinking the maze, we're gonna make a nice little like haunted house maze. So you're gonna walk in the door and you're gonna walk all the way around these zombies here. Okay. So I'm so excited for Halloween guys. Put down in the comments what you guys think about Halloween, because Halloween is coming and I just can't wait. You know, it's a season. Apple pies, you know, pumpkin pies, you know, Thanksgiving's coming up. It's just crazy. Now I'm just building this nice maze here, and I hope to see you guys in the next upcoming videos, because I'm gonna be posting more and more stuff. So you guys comment down below what you guys think about my videos and how can I improve, you know, to make everything like great and big, you know. Okay, here we go. So we're making this maze here. So you're gonna come in, you're gonna do a loop around here, and you do a loop here, and then you're gonna come this way. Perfect. It's coming along. Once you turn this way, it's gonna be really tight, but you're gonna come here. Perfect. And then you're gonna come out here. But I'm not gonna let any zombies escape, you know. I'm just gonna go up pretty quick guys. Oh no, don't come out, Stay back. Oh, he wants to come out guys, but we have to tell him to stay in. There we go, we locked the door. Okay, so if we keep the zombies in, then this haunted house will be really good. So I'm gonna continue this haunted house outside, but for now I gotta continue building. So what I'm gonna do guys here is I'm gonna make the maze continue guys, and it's gonna look really cool. We got some horses here too. It's nice. And this is gonna be the dream haunted house, you know. Everybody wanted to explore, you know, as they were walking around. Okay, so this maze here, I'm gonna build it pretty quick for you guys, but it's gonna come all the way around guys, all the way around here. So yeah, there we go. We're gonna build this path here. I'm gonna outline it for you what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna make a little curve here, and then once we bring it that way, I need to bring the other side of the maze here. So that's looking good guys. I'm gonna bring the maze over here guys, make some zigzag patterns, and you know, this maze is not gonna take one day to build. It's gonna take days to build, you know, because it's gonna be an epic haunted house world. So we might add some pumpkins too guys in here, just mix them up, you know. It's gonna be full of scary monsters. Wahahaha. Anyways guys, you know, you already know guys, this is a channel where we just create crazy things and random stuff. I really hope this channel will grow one day. Hopefully it does. I really hope it does. But thanks guys for tuning in. And yeah, we're looking pretty good guys. We got the maze started. We have to go back inside and see what's going on in the haunted house. Okay, let's go back inside. Perfect. Okay, I hear some sounds. Whoa. Okay, here we go. Oh, so all the zombies are over there right now, but we're gonna have to continue with the walls here. So if we continue with the walls, then the haunted house will be pretty cool. Perfect. Nice. So I like it how it's just the pumpkins that are creating the walls. Perfect. Whoa. Now that zombie is in there. We can try to trap him in there with some glass. So I don't know if he's gonna go back in there, but that would be pretty cool if we can trap him in there. Okay, go back in. Go. Maybe I gotta run this way. Okay, okay, there we go. So I'm gonna tell him to go in there. Perfect. And I'm gonna glass. I'm gonna put glass there. Perfect. So this is a little part of the haunted house. This is the corner where everybody turns and they see the zombie in there. And we might put one little light for him. There we go. Perfect. Nice. So that's our first like little turn there. And it's nice. Pretty sick. I'm gonna make this little maze a little bigger. Like that. Perfect. You're gonna walk this way and then you're gonna walk directly here. Now let's just oh, this is scary. Oh my. We're gonna control these monsters in our haunted house. So we're gonna try to capture them in the little areas here. But it's okay. We're gonna keep building up these doors here. Or the walls, I would say. Perfect. So you're gonna come in the door, you're gonna turn, you're gonna see that scary monster there, the creeper. And I'm gonna put some blocks up here. Perfect. Maybe a block there. Okay, nice. So we got this guy. There has to be something maybe over here when you turn the corner. So I'm gonna put some glass here. Oh. And I'm thinking, guys, the floor, I want to make it all pumpkin too. Oh, there's a fire. Let's not try to burn the place down, guys. Okay, so I'm putting some glass there. I'm gonna put some pumpkins over here too, guys. Perfect. Nice. And we're gonna go down this way now. And I was thinking maybe we should put a horse in here, guys. So I'm just gonna, well, it's getting a little too dark in here. Let me just pitch a light right there. Perfect. And it's looking scary, guys. It really is. There you go. We got a lot of pumpkins here. Perfect. Okay, so I'm thinking we should put a horse in here. So you walk by and you can see it through the window. And then you keep going. Okay, so, oh, don't get me. Okay, here we go. Let's go to horse. Let's get a horse egg and put a horse in there. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's see. We got, see if we can find that, guys. So we got different types of eggs here. Turtle egg. Okay, we are gonna get a horse egg. There you go. Okay, now we're gonna put one there. Perfect. And then we're gonna conceal. We're gonna say, oh, sorry. Okay, you gotta sit down. Okay, we're gonna put some, nope, that's not gonna work. Okay, let's try here. What do we got? Okay, let's try this. So this is half glass. We can put some glass here. And it should work. There we go. Okay, so you turn the corner and you see the horse right there. Perfect. Okay, let's keep going. So now you're gonna turn this way. So we're gonna, oh, stay back. So we're gonna lock this zombie up, guys. Whoop. Perfect. You're supposed to say to stay there. Okay, I think I can trap these. Stay back. Okay, I trapped the creature here. Okay, perfect. So now you're gonna turn the corner, and he's like, hey, my friend's in there. How do I get to him? Well, you can't. He's locked up. Okay, let's keep going, guys. So you're gonna turn this way, and then you're gonna okay, you guys can be free. I don't need any more monsters. You guys can go out or stay. You pick. Perfect. So I'm just gonna... Yeah, more monsters are coming in because it's nighttime. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna box you guys up. There we go. Perfect. I'm gonna put some lanterns there. And it's looking good. Oh, I found a way to escape. Nope. I'm not escaping anymore. There we go. I was like, where you guys come from? There we go. Perfect. Now, you can be there or not. But... Oh. There we go. The haunted house is almost completely built. So you got the... So you can... I'm gonna show you a demonstration, guys. Okay, so you're gonna come to the haunted house. You're gonna come in, guys. You're gonna turn. You're gonna see, whoa, a creeper there. You're gonna keep going. You're gonna see the horse. Perfect. You're gonna see my friend Steve here. And then you're gonna go this way and you're gonna see another creature monster if he's there. I don't think he's there. But the thing is, guys, I'm gonna put some horses inside here. Oh. Stay in. Stay in. Stay in. There we go. So there's a horse, and then there's a creeper. Kind of monster guy. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna continue out this way now. And I think the haunted house is pretty good. Oh, I gotta fix the floor. I was talking about this earlier. So the floor I'm gonna make out of pumpkins, guys. I feel like pumpkins are gonna be really cool for this haunted house here. It's gonna, oh, and it's, you really hear the haunted house in here, all the sounds. So okay, there we go, perfect. And it sounds scary. There we go. Well, we're almost done the floor, guys. So we're almost done the floor. I'm just finishing off some last filing touches here, I guess. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. This is part 1 of the build anyways. There's gonna be multiple series of the build, but we're just getting started because Halloween is coming, guys. Halloween is coming and I'm so excited. You know, I'm preparing the best I can. This is the haunted house. You know, the first thing we want to make is the haunted house, and then we'll move on. We'll just continue this this Halloween world. That's what it's gonna be called. So I'm just finishing off this here. Perfect. And let's just clean up this part, because this part is the main entrance, so you want it to look very, very nice when you're walking in. Perfect. Okay, nice. Well, just have to get rid of those doors for now. Then now we can put the doors back on. Perfect, nice. And at nighttime, this is gonna look so cool because it'll be like dark, and then you have the torches going. Now I'm thinking, guys, I want to put some water in here, so that'd be a nice addition, guys. But anyways, guys, stay tuned for part 2. Thanks, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Take care.